prerequisite for this is we should have two instances. One is like second one is create the account in manage.chef.io. okay, first let's launch the two instances in AWS. okay, in AWS. So open your AWS, easy to, and so there are no servers are running right now. Just click on launch instance, and I'm going to select RHEL 7 Red Hat 7 server. Select this, and everything is default, let it be. And I have to create two instances, so then I'm updating it as 2 here. okay, and remaining everything is same. Go for next, let it be 10 GB, and you want to add tags. Give tag owner Advit. okay, environment, it's not mandatory. Environment chef demo. okay, it's not mandatory, just to for our identification. I'm selecting create the one, let it be, not a problem. Or if you have the already one, you can select the default one also. okay, I already have the default one, so I'm selecting that. okay, so just select it, launch I have already key pair in my AWS, so selecting the existing one. So it creates two instances, right? It creates two instances. One I will be naming it as chef workstation, and another one I will name it as a chef node. okay, for our identification. okay. Right, so chef node is up and running now already. Chef workstation is coming up. So meantime, let's see, hope you have the account in manage.chef.io. manage.chef.io. so you log into that. okay, you log into that, and once you logged in, you will get into the page like this. okay, you will get into the page like this. okay, I'm deleting everything here. Just refresh this. okay, so manage.chef.io. cloud .com. okay, you will be logging into like this, and so you can use the default organization. You can so first of all, download the starter kit here. Select the organization, go to the administration on this one, go here and download the starter kit. This is required for our workstation to connect with our server. Download starter kit, proceed. okay, so once you have I already have it, so that's why I'm not downloading it. Or if you want, you can also download it, not a problem. okay, you can download it. I already downloaded. okay, so far no nodes are there. So meantime, our servers are up and running. Let's connect these servers also. So I'll use this command to connect this server. I'm connecting workstation, so let's connect this. First I'm connecting workstation. okay, so I'm able to connect the workstation now. So now in the workstation, I should install chef DK software. okay, here I have to install chef DK software. chef DK. okay, so from where I can download, you can go to downloads.chef.io. you can click on chef development kit. okay, chef DK means development kit. Get it? You can click on this, and you can select which version of RHEL we selected, 7, right? So select this RPM, you download it. okay, RPM, you download this into the workstation. So wget, and so wget is not found, so install this install -y wget. So once wget is ready, now you try to download it now. Okay, it is getting downloaded. Yes, it's downloaded. Now you try to install this rpm space -ivh chefdk. Okay, so once it is installed, our chefdk is ready in our workstation. You can use rpm space -qa grep chef. Okay, chefdk has been installed. Now you can, now what you need to do, you have to, whatever you downloaded here, right, for whatever you downloaded here, right, chef starter kit. Okay, that you have to, when you selected this, you have downloaded, right, go here, starter kit. Yeah, this starter kit we have to copy to workstation. Okay, so that I can do it through WinSCP. Okay, WinSCP, connect this WinSCP. I have to connect this to, okay, give the host name of your workstation, host name, or you can give your IP address also, anything is fine. Give IP address ec2-user. Authentication, you have to choose ppk file which you already have, ppk, click OK, click login, click OK. Yes, so once it is downloaded, you can go to downloads, wherever you have that starter.zip, and you can, here you can move to better, go to temp directory, /temp directory, copy this starter kit to temp. Okay, and I'm also selecting, okay, this starter kit has been copied, and I'm also selecting my PEM file also I'm copying. Both the things I'm copying to my workstation. Now you can go to see it here under the temp, you'll have this zip file and oregon.temp file. Okay, both the things copy to your home directory. Here cp/temp chef zip file to here, and cp, yeah, first you copy to zip. Okay, then try to unzip this, unzip chef -server dk. So unzip is not found. Let's install it. Install -y unzip. Now you just try to execute the same command, unzip starter. Okay, it has been unzipped. Now you can see additional directory called chef repo. Go inside of this and execute the command, this knife node list command, so that whether your workstation is connecting with your server or not, it will show you. Okay, so far there are no nodes been added in my server, right? So you can see under the nodes there are no nodes here, right? So that's why it did not show anything for us. Now copy that your PEM file to here. I have copied to chef repo, inside of chef repo, and make sure you have 400 permission for your PEM file. Okay, now your PEM file is ready. Just you need to bootstrap to add a node. Okay, so we have a node. Okay, we already created the node here. Okay, let's connect this node also. Okay, so let's connect this node through our SSH. Okay, let's connect in another terminal. This is my node. I'm calling this as node. You can see switch to root again. For this one, you can see RPM query chef. There are no chef softwares have been installed so far, right? So I'm coming back to the workstation. In the workstation, you have to run chef bootstrap command. Okay, so here is a command to execute it. Okay, here is a command to execute it. Chef bootstrap, and this is your computer DNS name or IP address. Okay, either you can give DNS name or IP address. I am giving the IP address, and give SSH user. This is the user you have to use sudo permission. And where is your PEM file? This is your PEM file. And node name, you can give my node name, node1, anything. Okay, just copy this command and go to the workstation and make sure you are inside the chef repo. Okay, and run this command. So it is getting installing. Okay? If you are seeing any error here, you might have to troubleshoot that issue. Okay, so this node has been bootstrapped successfully, I guess. Let's see if there is some software has been installed here. See this, is it been installed? Earlier it was package chef not one. And at the same time, if you go to server, and refresh this page, you should be able to see the node. Okay, you should be able to see the node FQDN. You should be able to see the node IP address 172.31.16.46. Is it the same one? 172.31.16.46 node IP address. And uptime 10 minutes it is showing. Uptime it is showing 10 minutes exactly. It is perfect. Okay, so you are able to add the node successfully to the server. At the same time, you can also see node client list in the workstation. Here it should show node 1. It should show your node 1. Okay, so if you are able to get this output, and sometimes it will FQDN unknown, IP address unknown. If it shows unknown, okay, so if it is not showing the proper information, that means your node has not been added properly. Okay, there is some issue, you have to troubleshoot and fix that. Okay, so this is how we have to install the chef in AWS environment. Thank you very much. Keep watching Advait DevOps World. Thank you.